In today's Tech Tips, we're going to be going over the key differences in two file management platforms, OneDrive and SharePoint. It's not as complicated as it may seem, but we're going to help you learn the essentials. We'll start with OneDrive. OneDrive is a platform that stores, installs, and shares information with its users. It's designed for your personal storage and work needs. You can think of it as the cloud equivalent to your computer's My Documents folder. One thing to note is that OneDrive cannot publish a website. Documents can have email links, but the documents cannot be published straight from OneDrive. SharePoint is different in that it is best used for collaborative work and for publishing files for others to view. It is an on-site cloud-based program that shares and stores information with multiple users. SharePoint's content management system lets users publish documents straight to a website, as well as makes them available for others to download. SharePoint can be viewed as an alternative internet site or file server. The key thing to note here is that OneDrive is great to use for small-scale personal projects, while SharePoint works better for larger collaborative projects, with multiple people being able to access the same document. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tech tips.